Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from Coinbase to a hardware wallet detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a hardware wallet, start by gathering your hardware wallet and ensuring it is fully set up. Next, log into your Coinbase account using a web browser or the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets tab to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click on the Send button to initiate the transfer process. In the Send field, you will be prompted to enter the recipient address. Now, open your hardware wallet and access the cryptocurrency app for the asset you wish to receive. Locate the option to view your wallet address. Make sure to copy this wallet address carefully to avoid any errors. Return to your Coinbase account and paste the copied wallet address into the recipient address field. Double-check to ensure the address is correct. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details, including network fees, before proceeding. If everything looks correct, click the Continue button. You may be asked to confirm the transaction through your Coinbase security settings, such as two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, you will see a summary of your transaction. After a few moments, you will receive a notification that the transaction is being processed. You can track the status of your transfer from the pending section in your Coinbase account. To see the funds in your hardware wallet, wait for the transaction to be completed. Once complete, open the app on your hardware wallet to verify that the funds have arrived successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to your hardware wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.